Hello everyone, welcome to my Wednesday workshop. What is not to love about timber flooring? It is long lasting, hard wearing, and it brings this beautiful atmosphere and texture into our houses. If you're tossing up whether you should go for a solid timber floor or an engineered timber floor, then just stay tuned. I'm here at SE Timber in Chatswood and I'll guide you through the pros and cons of each flooring. Let's start with solid timber. I have here a sample of spotted gum in my hands, and you can see it's solid timber throughout. There is no other wood mixed in, and you can sand it back quite a couple of times. So what is the price point of solid timber flooring? Allow roughly between $180 and $260 per square meters supply and install. And talking about installation, be aware that a solid timber floor needs a floor that supports it underneath, which usually sits on joists. That means it will raise your overall floor level. That is not a big deal when you're constructing a new house because you can factor that in right from the beginning. But when you're renovating, it means you need to cut your doors, which can be tricky. So when you're renovating, I'm usually recommending an engineered floor. So what is an engineered or floating floor? It's a floor that is made of layers. Lower grade timber at the bottom and your beautiful timber as the top layer. But it's all real timber. Don't get mixed up with laminate, which is another thing altogether. For an engineered timber, you need to allow around $100 to $200 per square meter supply and install. And you can choose from beautiful Australian species timber as well as from imported timber such as walnut or oak. I hope this video helps you to make the right choices when it comes to flooring, and in addition I collated this table for you which contains timber flooring as well as bamboo, vinyl and laminate. And you can download this for free. Head to my website martinahayes.com.au and I have a menu item which says for free where you can download it. Thank you very much for watching and bye.